Hello everyone, this is a product from 3dcustomthings.com, and what we have here is HTC Vive Deluxe Audio Strap knob. So what this is keeping in the theme with Valve company, and when you play games with Valve you notice there's a guy that has the red knob on the back of his head. So this is keeping in the same theme as Valve, and this goes on to what we have here is the Deluxe Audio Strap. And you see this knob here? This is going to go to the back of the knob, and that's going to clamp onto the knob, and it allows you to turn it. So this is both practical and it also looks good. This video will show you how to install the 3D printed knob onto the Deluxe Audio Strap. So let's begin. It comes in 3 pieces or 3 parts. I'm gonna take them out right now. You have the bottom ring clamp. It comes in 2. So this is gonna clamp onto the knob and allows you to turn. So we're gonna tighten it with the tension with these screws you see here. And the middle part, I'm going to unscrew the top. It pops out, and it's to help it turn and have good grip. We've designed it so it fits. You see these knobs here, just protruding out, these hexagonal. It'll protrude and it'll fit in here, and we secure that by putting screws through there. And the top part, it also has the hexagonal indentation and hexagon protrusion, and it aligns and fits in there. And to top it off, we have this 3D printed screw that goes on top. Once you get this, it's best to take the screw and drill all the way through here, because it's a tight fit. So I'm gonna use the power tools. You don't have to, but I'm gonna do that just to make. And I keep on going. I do the same thing with the other side. Okay, you take the other half, squeeze it together. There we go. Now we take the nut, and we just put that there. Place your finger on it, hold it, and it should self-tighten, drawing the nut into the socket. You see that? So once you get both sides in, take the other nut, same thing, tighten it up. Now you can take it out, take it apart again. And we're doing this, you can skip this step, but we're only doing this just to make it not so tight, because it's designed to be so tight so there isn't any play. Now we take our strap, put that half there, and the other half, take the screw and tighten it. And I'm gonna turn. There's a screw there. Put the nut on the other side. I'm gonna tighten. And then you want to hand tighten it and not over tighten it, because keep in mind this is still 3D printed part. As you can see, it's already working. So if I turn the knob, you can see this one here is getting looser. If I turn it to the right, it's getting it tighter. So there we go. That's the functional piece. Now we put in the other pieces. And here you see there's a hole here. And there's a hole that goes all the way through this piece. And that's there. So we have to align this hole here with that hole so the screw can go all the way through. So pop that in. Put the other hex nut inside the hole with the hex nut shape. Tap that down. Now from underside, put your hole through. I'm going to turn the knob, and I'm going to screw from the back. Okay, there we go. And we place this in there and hand tighten the plastic screw. Okay, and there we go. We have a functional, good looking knob on the deluxe audio strap. If you find that this part here turns and it does not tighten or loosen the strap, it may be loose inside. It shouldn't be loose, but if it is in the future, maybe if it's used too much, we haven't tested it since we just really made this, but it shouldn't be loose. But if it is, you can take it apart and put it inside like a thin strip of rubber band. That'll even be better and create a nice tight grip. So you can put rubber band on either side or just one side, it's up to you, just to add more tension to it. But like I said, it should be okay without doing that, but you never know when things wear out. And we also sell the deluxe audio strap adapter that connects to the headset for both Pi Max and also for the Quest. So visit our store, the link provided, and you can get these straps in addition to what we've demonstrated here. Alright, thank you for watching.